Find the sum to indicated number of terms in each of the geometric progression in exercise 7 to 10. Question number 7. 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015, etc. 20 terms. This is the question. Find the sum. We have to find the sum. So, A is equal to 0.15 and common ratio R is equal to 0.015 divided by 0.015. So, how many decimals are over here? 3 decimal places. Here, how many decimal places? Only 2 decimal places. So, 15 divided by 1000 we have to do, isn't it? Then how many decimal places over here? 2 decimal places. So 15 divided by 100 we have to do. Then 15 by 1000 and reciprocal of these. 15 by 100 is equal to 100 by 15. So these 15 and these 15 will cut off. 100 how many times goes in 1000? 10 times. Okay. So we get a 1 by 10. Sn is equal to sum of n terms is equal to, we have to find a sum of n terms. What is the formula? General formula is equal to A in bracket 1 minus r to the power n whole divided by 1 minus r. How? R is less than 1. Here R is less than. Common ratio is less than 1. So S20 is equal to A into, what is A over here? A is equal to 0.15 in bracket 1 minus R to the power. What is R over here? 1 by 10 whole to the power 20 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 0.15. We can write in fractional form. 15 by 100 divided by 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. So we get this, we get 15 by 100 into 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20 whole divided by 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 by 10. So this reciprocal will come. So reciprocal of this is how much? 10 by 9. So we get 15 by 100 into 10 by 9 reciprocal of this in bracket 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20, close the bracket. So 10 tens are 100. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So we get 5 by 10 into 1 by 3 in bracket 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20, close the bracket. So you can 5 2s are 10. So we get 1 by 6 in bracket 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20, close the bracket. So the final answer is 1 by 6 in bracket 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 20, close the bracket. root 7, root 21, 3 root 7, etc. in terms. A is equal to root 7, R is equal to root 21 by root 7. So root 21 we can write root 7 into root 3. So these 1, 7 and these root 7 will cut off. What will you get? Root 3 we get. Clear? Root 3 value of root 3 is equal to 1.73. So here R is greater than 1. Greater than 1. So we can apply Sn is equal to A into bracket R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So substitute the value. What is A over here? A is equal to root 7. And what is R over here? Root 3 to the power n minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. But root 3 we can write 3 to the power half. Root 3 we can write 3 to the power half. So we get 3 to the power n by 2 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. So next step we can write root 7 divided by root 3 minus 1 in bracket 3 to the power n by 2 minus 1. So we can rationalize the denominator. So we can write root 7 divided by root 3 minus 1 into here minus. So we can write root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 in bracket 3 to the power n by 2 as it is minus 1. So this we can write root 7 in bracket root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1 we get. 3 minus 1 into 3 to the power n by 2 minus 1. So we get root 7 into bracket root 3 plus 1 into 3 to the power n by 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2. 3 minus 1 we get 2. So this is the final answer. 1 comma minus a square minus a cube etc. in terms if a not equal to minus 1. Here a is equal to 1, r is equal to minus a by 1 which is equal to minus a. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Then we have to substitute the values. Okay, next step we have to substitute the value. Sn is equal to what is a over here? A is equal to 1 in bracket 1 minus, given that a is not equal to minus 1 it is given. So common ratio is negative. So we have to take 1 minus r to the power n. What is r over here? It is minus a. Minus a to the power n divided by 1 minus a. So we get like this. Then this we have to simplify it. 1 into minus 1 we get bracket 1 minus of a to the power n whole divided by 1. Sorry, here no n is there. So 1 minus into minus, this become plus a. 1 plus a we get. So the final answer is 1 minus a to the power n, close the bracket, all divided by 1 plus a. This is the final answer. Question 10, x cube comma x to the power 5, x to the power 7, etc. in terms of the condition it is given that if x not equal to plus or minus 1, a is equal to what? X cube. What is r? R is equal to x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 3. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So, x to the power 5 minus 3. X to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 5 minus 3, which is equal to x square. We get this, we get. Then apply the formula. Sn is equal to a in bracket 1 minus r to the power n whole divided by 1 minus r. So we get what is a over here? It is x cube, isn't it? In bracket 1 minus r is what? 1 minus x square to the power n, close the bracket, divided by 1 minus x square we get, which is equal to what is x. So we get x cube in bracket 1 minus x raised to 2n. You already know that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Like this, x square whole to the power n is equal to x to the power 2n. Close the bracket, then 1 minus x square. So, this is the final answer.